Today we race on Fortuna Island in Forza Horizon 4 on the Samsung Odyssey G7 32-inch monitor. Hi friends and welcome to Viktors Reality. As you can easily see the clarity and the awesome contrast the Odyssey G7's picture produces, so much lightning going around all over the place. You can easily see the colors, the speed of this awesome VA panel, and this is my favorite racing game to showcase the Samsung Odyssey G7's power. So I have it running with GSYNC on, adaptive sync on, no screen tears, no flashes, no flickering. Everything is just super smooth, and the amazing picture it produces, I'm in awe just looking at it. There is nothing in the NVIDIA control panel that I have to adjust. Everything's on default. This is on cinema preset mode with 90% brightness. Everything is just super smooth, super colorful, and with the amount of contrast this panel has, it's just an amazing picture. And in my next video, I will be doing a HDR on and off video on Forza Horizon 4, also with Doom Eternal, so be sure to look out for that. You can always check my Samsung Odyssey G7 playlists to see different games, different situations to help you in your buying decision if this monitor is worth it, if this monitor makes sense to you. And I'll leave it with some racing gameplay so you guys can see the fluidity of how awesome this monitor is. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on those notifications so you never miss out on a future video. I'll see you guys next time.